Something spectacular. Here I need more than half a day to show you everything in this spectacular property behind me. We got 5 bedrooms, all ensuite, 4 garages, open plan living area. Looking at quality, style, perfection, finishes, anything you can think of. The best location. Anything you can look for in a special property is in this property. So let me show you, let's go in and have a look at this unique property. So you've got 2 garages on this side, 2 on this side. I'll show you on the inside. This can also be in the inside of this garage is your laundry area. That's totally separate away from the inside of the house, but you do have direct access into the property. Let's look on the inside. Entering this property, beautiful curved wall with the special finishes, full laminate vinyl flooring with herringbone pattern. And as we're going through, you'll notice the solid American ashwood skirtings. Beautiful. A floating staircase also at the entrance, and then a zen garden. Looking at this open plan and a view as far as you can see. Anything you're looking for is in this property. You have this extra bulkheads. You look at the steam, the black and all the special colors that's matching up. You've got a fireplace here. I want to show you the fireplace. Ideally for winter time. Easy to work and to start. 1, 2, 3 and it's going. Quite easy and very nice feature in your living area. Looking at all this ceilings, something while we're looking at the ceiling, the cement finished. There's also water piping with circulation inside this slab, that if you need hot water on that side of the house or that side, there's instant hot water, circulation pump, anything that's getting your hot water ready by an instant. Your built-in wall mounting and space for your TV, the extra LED lights and the all the lights, the strip lights, everything perfectly placed in position and so ideally. Let's look a bit on the outside. Privacy is the key word here, and you got this whole entertainment area. It's covered with this beautiful shade net here, and even this Boma Bri is on wheels, so if you want to move it around and shift it around, it's movable. Then your view, like I mentioned as we come in, you got this hedge, but so private, but you can still look far up to Monument Park, Waterkloof, anything in Pretoria you can see from here, especially in the night. With the outside of this property, the LED lights all around on the outside also make it unique and just draw your attention on it. Swimming pool, because this is infinity overflow pool. And definitely not the standard size. If you're looking at the size, a little bit bigger than standard. Looking at this mature landscape garden and the view from here, all these sliding glass doors I'll show you on the inside of the patio how easily it opens up. Smaller stuff for your braai. You got a special braai box on the side of the property where you can use your braai grits, all those type of things is here on the side. So we got a special box to hide all your braai equipment. As you can see, your irrigation is in, computerized irrigation, and a lovely entertainment area with folding stacking glass doors on both sides of this property. Let me show you how easily this works. You open it up on the bottom, and then you go. I've only did it on the first two, but we can carry on doing it on the rest as well. Beautiful space, double volume, exposed trusses, the cement look, steel, the industrial look and feel. Like I said, a combination with your built-in braai, and then your first fridge. Even in your entertainment area, you do have a fridge here with a water connection point. Ample of cupboard space, prep bowl. These three doors can also fold and stack away, so you can have open area from your kitchen. As we're going now into the kitchen, while you're working and preparing in the kitchen, everything is open from here, this position, all over. You can see the family as you moving around. You got a Siemens gas plate here, and then also this hidden extractor that's also in the kitchen. Looking at this oven here, and this is like I said, this is a proper extractor, and it's definitely a must if you don't have the overhead extractors. Looking at pantry space, here's your main fridge, not directly in your face but just on the side of the kitchen. You've got a separate scullery, and remember, I've mentioned on this side you only have a dishwasher, and then a third fridge on the back side. You'll notice there's no machines here. Our machines is in the garage. I'll show you when we get there. Looking at your first bedroom downstairs, your guest room. Coming also, have a look. Ensuite, shower, basin and toilet. A little bit of cupboard space, small kitchenette area here. Just like a small bachelor's flatlet on its own. Big large volume, your own door coming in from the outside. So you can even use this area as a study, but you also have an option for the other bedroom to utilize that as a study. So this cupboards can be turned for something else, for like a workstation, and also on this side another workstation. So, or you can change it to for your clothing. The garage is on this side. While we're here, you can see how beautifully is this arranged. You have your space for your machines, prep bowl here, or basin, built-in cupboards, and even space for your clothes to hang. Then a big inverter system. You can see this is a machine here. Your inverter panels, batteries, and then your whole internet box is also installed here. Your garages, extra height, both sides, this and the other one, wider, longer. So you can fit easily a longer vehicle like a Toyota Hilux with a notch bar and a tow bar on the back. It fit easy. Oh, you want to use this as a gym? You got your TV already up here. Air cons. Let's look at the other bedroom downstairs. At this stage, it's still a study. Here's your other two garages coming in. Ample cupboard space, shelving. Then this can easily be turned into bedroom number 5. You've got a shower, basin and toilet here. Beautiful finishes. You'll notice there's no built-in cupboards here. The sellers are willing to install cupboards for you if you're looking to turn this into a bedroom. That will be bedroom number 5. And you also got a door leading out onto the garden. Let's look at upstairs. There's so many smaller things that I don't even mention, but we need to spend time and walk through this in detail. When you call me, you want to view it, I'll show you all the finer things. I'm going through, like I say, if we need to spend time, it will take me half a day to show you everything here. Look at this floating staircase, beautifully positioned. We do have a skylight in here that brings this natural light into your entrance at the foyer. On this side, we do have main bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then also a walk-in linen cupboard, ample space. Looking at cupboard space, the size on the room, air cons installed, ensuite, full bathroom, and then smaller things like a day bed overlooking with this northern window onto this farm. And inside your cupboards, inside your drawers, you have space for your plug points that's already installed. So those type of smaller things. And then the mood light that you'll notice in this room that you can switch off separately, on and off. Coming in your bathroom area, you also have a electrical point for your toothbrush, loose standing bath, hand shower, and this beautifully finished area inside here. Tile to the top, frameless showers, floating vanities, and give it a toilet. Bedroom number 2. You can even feel the room temperature as we're walking in with the northern sun coming in. Easily feels this temperature is nicely controlled. And you'll notice there's also mood lights in this room, air conditioning, and there's personal wallpapers. If you don't like it, it can be removed, repainted with its own ensuite, shower, basin and a toilet. Before we enter the main, small kitchenette area, beautifully positioned close to the staircase, space for your bar fridge, your milk, electrical point, water, everything you need. Entering this main bedroom, you get the cinema feeling. This quality carpets, you can really feel here on the sound, it's more quiet. durable carpets, beautifully laid out dresser behind me with space for your makeup station, ample cupboard space, your ensuite that is a bit separate here, big shower, his and hers, special lighting behind the mirrors, a loose standing bath, give it a toilet, and then also a bidet spray that's already mounted inside. Coming inside the room, again a beautiful view overlooking this whole farm area. There's no balcony here, but they want to use maximum space in the bedroom. So this bedroom's, like I mentioned in the first bedroom, all the drawers do have built-in plugs, and then also air conditioning and this special lights. This bedroom, the basin of this bed will be included in the sale, and you got even extra drawer space at the bottom of your bed where you can put shoes and all those type of things that you can put in. But so you just bring your own mattress that will fit on top, and then but this is built in. Enough cupboard space, high ceilings, quality look and feel. And you will ask, what's the price? This is a VAT transaction. So at the end of the day, you'll only pay your bond and your attorney fees. If you take a bond, if you're not taking a bond, there's no bond fees. The price is going for 11,980,000 Rand. Like I said, it's a VAT transaction, there's no transfer duties, so it's included in the price. This is a giveaway for this quality that you see here. And this property is ready to move. If you want to personalize anything, the sellers are willing to repaint or do some personal touches for you, but everything is ready on the doorstep waiting for you just to call me, and I'm willing to take you and show you this beautiful property.